Cat litter smell can be a big problem in the house, especially if you have more than one cat. A strong smell can make your home feel dirty and unpleasant. There are simple and easy ways to keep the litter box clean and fresh. Scooping the litter box daily is one of the best ways to reduce cat litter smell. When waste sits too long, it starts to smell bad and spreads odor around the house. By removing clumps every day, you keep the litter fresh and clean. It also helps your cat feel more comfortable using the box. Daily scooping takes only a few minutes, but makes a big difference. A clean litter box means a cleaner smelling home. Using clumping litter helps a lot in controlling cat litter smell. This type of litter forms solid clumps when your cat pees, making it easy to scoop out the waste. It locks in the odor and keeps the rest of the litter clean. Clumping litter also lasts longer and stays fresher. It is simple to use and makes daily cleaning quicker. Cleaning the litter box weekly helps remove hidden smells and keeps it fresh. Even if you scoop daily, some odor still builds up over time. Empty all the litter, wash the box with warm water and mild soap, and let it dry. This removes old stains and bacteria that cause bad smells. A clean litter box makes your cat happy and your home smell better. Doing this once a week keeps everything fresh and healthy. Using baking soda in the litter box is a simple way to reduce bad smells. Just sprinkle a small amount at the bottom of the box before adding litter. Baking soda helps absorb moisture and odor without harming your cat. It keeps the litter fresher for longer. You can also add a little on top after scooping. Choosing the right litter is important to control cat litter smell. Some litters are better at hiding odors than others. Look for litter that clumps well and has good odor control. Natural or scented options can also help reduce smells. The right litter keeps the box fresh and your home smelling clean. A foldable cat litter box is very helpful for keeping the area clean and controlling smells. It is easy to carry and move, which makes cleaning simple. Because it folds, you can store it quickly when not in use. The design helps keep litter inside, reducing mess and odor. It is made from materials that are easy to wash and keep fresh. Using a foldable litter box helps keep your home smelling better and cleaner. Rocco and Roxy Litter Box Odor Eliminator helps stop bad smells from the litter box fast. It is safe for cats and easy to use. This product keeps the litter smelling fresh for a long time. Using it makes your home cleaner and more pleasant. So, by applying these tips and products, you can get rid of cat litter smell.